From starting my collection with this cute Lambo to collecting one of the most rarest Lamborghini SCV12. I know you guys love Lambos and you guys are requesting me to buy a Lamborghini Sian. If you are new to this channel, my name is Shogun. Welcome back to another video of collecting with you. If you guys like to watch diecast cars, unboxing and review plus montages, go down and boom that subscribe button and accelerate that bell notification icon, guys. So without wasting much time, let's roll the intro.
Warning: this channel is too addictive for every diecast car lover.
So finally guys, we have got the Lamborghini Sian with us. And this is the open box delivery, guys. So I have already cleaned it. But let me show you guys. We have got something crazy out of here. Just look at this model, guys. Isn't that looking crazy? Let me show you guys. Wait. Just look at this beautiful Italian piece, guys. This car is looking so much premium. Talking about the front section, guys, we have got the Lamborghini logo over here. We have got this design over here. Just look at it, guys. We have got the front vents over here. We have got a guard over here, as well as just look at the headlights, guys. That is looking amazing and well detailed. We have also got carbon fiber finishing over here. Talking of the left section, guys, this car is really well built. Just look at the sleekness used over here. As you can see, this crisscross design with the carbon fiber finishing over here, as well as we have also got the guards and this design that is looking amazing. Talking about the top section, guys, we have got a full blue design with the black finishing and the engine guard over here. Also we can see the Italian flag design over here that is looking amazing and well detailed, guys. If I talk about the tires, we have got the rubber tires with black alloy and red brakes. That is looking amazing. If I talk about the back section, guys, just look at it. Just look at the back section. We have got the back lights over here. That is looking amazing. We have got a branding of turbo over here with the exhaust system. That is absolutely crazy, guys, and the car is really well built. Also we have got a 63 marking over here, guys. I have not seen it previously, but overall, guys, this car is really well built, premium. Now let me show you the engine, guys. Wait, this is a basic type of engine. Just look at this, not so well detailed, but this is also looking good, guys. Let me open the doors for you guys. Just look at this, guys. From the front it will look like this. The doors are butterfly doors and the engine is like this. Let me open the front bonnet for you. And this car will look like this from the front to the back. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel Collecting With You. And thank you guys for watching the video. Peace out.